Can we have a real conversation that is typically avoided in social work spaces? I am a licensed clinical social worker. I spent 8 years in school, 2 years in supervision, working towards licensure, and I had to pay for that supervision, $10 per license. I was working on 2, while I was only making $45,000 a year. I worked on a licensure that was supposed to open doors. I got the licensure and I went into doing private practice, not for myself, but working for other agencies. And I joined insurance panels for accessibility, not because they pay well, and I wanted to show up for the people who needed it most. But I have $120,000 in student loan debt that followed me through all of that. I love the work that I do, and I love who I do it for. That has never been the question. The question is, why is the profession that is built entirely on helping people structured in a way that leaves practitioners financially depleted, overworked, and usually in survival mode? Here is what I know to be true. I show up better now that I'm making money for my clients. I think more clearly when I'm not working 3 jobs just to stay afloat, just to pay my bills. I give more generously when I'm building from abundance instead of surviving on empty. Because as much as I tell clients you can't pour from an empty cup, I tell social workers you can't pull from an empty account. The income goal of my $40,000 net does not erase the impact that I make as a practitioner in this field, but it does protect it and it does intensify it. My series, Impact and Income, is me documenting the real no gatekeeping journey to netting $40,000 a month as a clinician, business owner, founder of the CEO Clinician Collective. What I make, what it costs, what I invest, what I build, every win, every loss, every lesson. Because I want options, and options come with income. So I'm building in public so that you don't have to figure it out alone in private. Bye.